our channel dedicated to Blue Hour photography, where we dive into the magical moments that occur during the transition from day to night or night to day. Join us as we explore the ethereal beauty of this unique time of day, when the sky is adorned with stunning hues of blue and the world is transformed into a captivating landscape. Immerse yourself in our visual journeys, where we take you to various locations, from serene coastal vistas to vibrant cityscapes, showcasing the power of Blue Hour photography to transform ordinary scenes into extraordinary works of art. Join our passionate community of photography enthusiasts and embark on a captivating adventure in the world of Blue Hour photography. Don't miss